Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1S and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So let me try to use them now to see how it works. And as you can see now, by tapping on these buttons, I can easily take a picture. So to change that function, we have to move to more advanced options, and we can do it easily by just sliding to the right. Here we are in the advanced camera settings, and as you can see at the second place here, we have the volume key function. So by tapping on this, we can manage it, and we can pick from the shutter, volume or zoom. So for now, let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. Now let me try to tap on these buttons again and see how it works. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can easily zoom and get closer to my subject and also go back. So this is how it works, and this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.